Hello, in this video we are going to talk about the Jacobson Radical, and I'm just going to give you the definition when we have a general ring with unity. So if you have a general ring with unity, what is the definition of the Jacobson Radical? So let R be a ring with unity. Okay, and M, okay, a simple R module. Okay, M a simple R module. So R is a ring with unity, and M is a simple R module. By simple, we mean so a module is simple if it is non-zero and it has no non-zero proper submodules. Okay, so in this particular case, M is a simple R module. Then we're going to define the Jacobson radical as follows: J of R, this, J of R, it's going to be equal to, okay, it's the set of all elements of little r and capital R, R is our ring, of the form Rm equals 0, where M is simple. And that's one definition of the Jacobson radical. Take care.